hello. Who in the heck are you? Hey there. My name is Cletus. Who are you? I am Her Majesty's Nut Splitter. Nut Splitter? What the heck is that? I'm a nutcracker myself. Oh, how bourgeois. What do you do when you're not cracking nuts? Well, I like to groom my little doggy here. See, I got this brush or comb, I guess, and I groom my dog. See, I love dogs. Do you love anything? Well, yes, I love myself first of all, and I love the Queen, 'cause I'm her nut splitter. What do you do besides grooming your doggy? Well, I like to go around and crack the nuts of pompous asses like yourself. Well, I dare say that's not very sporting of you. I think I'm ready to leave now. Ta-ta. Stupid nut cracking, splitting douchebag.